Recently, our sales group approached the engineering team and wanted to know if our arms were as strong as our competitors. And that began a series of tests. We worked with TAWAS, a test lab here in Indianapolis, to perform several tests to determine the strength of both arms. We also did several calculations of our arms and our competitors' arms, and we tested the alloy of our competitors' arms. The competitor's arm is placed in the test machine and the force is applied. And as the force is applied, you can see significant deflection and bending. You can see the distance. It traveled as far as the machine could bend the arm until it hit the bottom of the machine. It never reached 400 pounds. Once the load is removed, you can see there's a permanent set or bend to the arm. The arrow arm is slightly bending as force is applied. The force reaches a maximum of 400 pounds. As the force is released, you can see the arm bends back to its original shape. One of the inherent advantages of the arrow design is strength. The shape is very strong. As you can see, it's similar to an I-beam. The alloys we have chosen are extremely strong, same alloys that are used in aircraft. And so what you wind up with is an extremely strong extrusion that's not going to break in the field. Another advantage of the EZ-Cover system is our patented double helix spring. The double helix spring is extremely strong and offers a great deal of torque so that you have hold down for your arm when you're in the covered position. It also allows us to mount high. So the reason our spring assembly can be mounted so high is this spring offers a great angular displacement. It can also be mounted very low. It's your choice as a customer. Now, if you compare this to our competitor's spring, it's a commodity. They all have exactly the same spring. It's not nearly as strong, it doesn't offer as much torque, and it doesn't offer the amount of angular displacement that our spring does. The competitor arm is on the bottom. You can see how it easily bent through the testing. The arrow arm that was tested is on the top. Our superior engineering in both materials and shape demonstrate itself not only in a test lab, but on the road every day when you're driving your truck.